Hello and welcome dear aspirants. Today we are going to discuss about a new notification. The notification has been downloaded from the website of www.patnahighcourt.gov.in. So now let's discuss about this notification. As you see, the most important of the new notification is advertisement number. So here is the advertisement number PHC/04/2022, and this advertisement number is about Translator Recruitment Examination 2022. You may see here the helpline number. Helpline email is phcrecruitment2022@gmail.com. It is dated 19th October 2022. So now talks about the important dates. Date for commencement of submission of online examination is 21 October 2022. It means the applying on this post is began from 21 October 2022 and the last date for submission of online application is 11th November 2022. Okay, and here is also mentioned about the date of examination. It is most important for the aspirants that the date of examination is already mentioned in this notification. So when your exam will be conducted there, so here is mentioned date of examination is 8th January 2023. So now talks about the point number 2. Now see the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is most important for the applying on this post. What is the nationality? A candidate for recruitment to the post of translator must be a citizen of India. When you apply on this post, you must be a citizen of India, or a Tibetan refugee who came over to India before 1st January 1972 with the intention of permanently settling in India, or if any candidates from Tibet or in their Tibetan refugee, or if they had come before 1st January 1972, or they have been settled in permanently in India, or they have the all documents to settle in permanently India, so they are eligible to apply on this post. And the point number C is a person of Indian origin who has migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka and East Africa countries of Tanzania, Zambia with the intention of permanently settling in India. They are also eligible to apply on this post. The candidates, those are from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, East Africa, and they had also came before 1st January 1972 in India, and they had been settled before that time, so they are eligible to apply on this post. So now let's talk about the character. The character is most important for the civil court or high court jobs. The character of a candidate must be such as to render suitable in all respect for appointment to the service in the high court. The decision of the appointment authority in this regard shall be final. Any candidates who has been selected in this department, so they want to be connected with any cases, rape, crime and anything else. So if they will be caught that anybody is connected with the cases, with the any unactivities such as raping, crime and killing, so they will their candidature will be finished, or they want to be taken for the post. And here now see the marital status. About marital status, here is mentioned about a male candidate who has more than one wife alive, or a female candidate who has married a person already having a wife alive, shall not be eligible for the recruitment. For a male candidate, if a male candidate has been married 2 wives or both are alive and they are in living relationships, they are living with each other, so that the male candidates are not eligible to apply on this post. And if about talking about the female candidates, if female candidates get married, the person who is already married or having a wife is also not eligible to apply on this post. It means male candidate has not one more than wife, and female candidates has not married with the person who has already wife. Okay, now see the physical fitness. The physical fitness is most important, that where you have to go to test your physical fitness. Here is mentioned the medical officers below the rank of deputy superintendent of a government hospital, and at the time of joining the post you have to submit this physical fitness certificate. Okay, so you have to visit your district hospital. Which are the district hospital, you go there and to check up your physical fitness and to get the certificate from there, and at your joining time you submit your physical fitness. And now see the age limit. And talking about the age limit, here is talking about the upper age limit, not the lower age limit. About talking about the lower age limit is 18 years old, and the upper age limit is, here is mentioned about the category wise. EWS unreserved category and EWS for male 37 years is upper age limit, and unreserved EWS female category 40 years is upper age limit, and BC EBC male and female category 40 years is upper age limit, and SC ST is male and female 22 years upper age limit. OH लोकोमोटर के लिए 47 years upper age limit. Okay, now see the further upper age limit for those in employment under central government of Bihar or shall be relaxable by 5 years. Here is telling about that if any candidates has been served in central government or the government of Bihar, will be also given relaxable by 5 years in age limits. Now see the next minimum qualification. And talking about the minimum qualification on the post of translator, a candidate must be pass graduation with English as one of the subject from a recognized university. A candidate must be passed with English as one of the subject, as one of the, and he must be passed from the English subject from the any recognized university. And the second point is diploma either or certificate of at least 6 months course in computer application from a recognized institution. He must have diploma certificate or the 6 months course in computer certificate can be also apply there. And the third point is references will be given to postgraduate candidates in English or Hindi, for whom the references will be given postgraduate, not graduate, or the candidate those have done their post graduation from Hindi or English, they will be given references. And the fourth is references will also be given to the candidates having knowledge of Urdu, Bangla and Kathi, or the any candidates those know about the Urdu and Bangla and Kathi language, they will be also given references on this post. Now see the reservation. About the reservation is mentioned here. Scheduled caste 16%, ST yani scheduled tribe 1%, extremely backward classes 18%, backward classes 12%, and economically weaker section 10% are reserved here. And women candidates 35% and OH orthopedically handicapped 4% are reserved here. Okay, now see, note, there is no reservation, there is no provision for scribe or extra time in any part stage of examination for the orthopedically handicapped OH candidates. It means for the OH candidates they will be not given the extra time to attend the any part of examination or the part of any stage of examination for them. So point number 6, mode of selection. There are 3 mode of selections. First mode, written test, second is computer proficiency test, and third is interview. Now see, the minimum qualification standard, the mode of selection is 40% marks is necessary to qualify written test, and second is 40% marks in computer proficiency test to qualify computer proficiency test, and third is 30% marks is necessary in interview. Now see the syllabus and a scheme of examination. So talking about the syllabus and a scheme of examination will be at an actual first, and we will get next time. Now see point number 9, examination fee. The examination fees is mentioned here. Unreserved BC, EBC and EWS candidate 1000 rupees, and for SC, ST and OWH candidates 500 rupees. Okay, see the center of examination. Here you will get 3 center of examinations. First is Patna, second is Hajipur and third is Muzaffarpur. And now see the next stages. We are talking about the syllabus and scheme of examination and actual first when we get above in the notification. So the Translator Recruitment Examination 2022 shall be conducted in 3 stages, that is written test, computer proficiency test and interview. The Translator Recruitment Examination will be conducted on 3 stages. First is written, second is computer and third is interview. But here is also mentioned about one thing, if the number of applicants is on the higher side, if the number of applicants is on the higher side, the High Court reserves the right to shortlist the candidates through a screening or preliminary test. The scheme of examination shall be as follow. It means a lot of candidates has been applied on this post for translator post. So the department can also conduct the preliminary test before conducting the written test. Understood? So by including preliminary test, here can be conducted 4 stages of the examinations. Okay, so it is the depend on the department or depend on the candidates. If a lot of candidates are applying on this post, so department will take this section. If a lot of candidates are not applying on this post, so department will conduct its examination on written test, computer test and interview test. That is on 3-stage test. It is depend on the department. And now see the syllabus is there. And in written test, general English objective type 30 marks, general Hindi objective type 30 marks and general awareness objective type 20 marks. Total maximum marks are 80 and qualifying marks is 32 up to 80. And now here you will be given 45 marks for 80 questions. And here for translation English to Hindi 60 marks, translation Hindi to English 60 marks, or the total marks are 120 and qualifying marks is 48 up to 120 marks, and time will be given 2 hours. And now see the computer proficiency test. I have to know the knowledge of Word processing test on MS Word 10 marks, test in spreadsheets on MS Excel 10 marks, or internet of proficiency 10 marks. The total marks of the number is 25 and the qualifying marks is 10 up to 25, and time will be given half an hour. For the interview, the test of proficiency in Urdu, Bangla, Kathi, only for the candidates having proficiency in this language will be given 5 marks, and interview will be given 20 marks. Total marks is 25 marks, and 6 marks is qualifying up to 25 marks, and time will be given half an hour. See, now it talks about the post. How many posts are there on translator? See, talking about the post, here is mentioned, for unreserved category there are 16 posts, for SC there are 6 posts, for ST 1 post, EBC 7 posts, and BC 5 posts, and EWS candidates 4 posts, and that is why the total post is 39 posts. So it is enough for this notification. So I hope you like this notification. If you like this notification, then you subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Now let's meet with new video in next time.